Okay, I'm Rudy and I'm back. So here's what we missed, or what you missed. This is the bottle that comes with it. You take a half a bottle and you dump it in the tank. Now I did notice this is something that's going to be an issue. The manual does call for the bottle here that I have, half a bottle of the small one, or a full-size bottle sold separately, 6 capfuls. I'm going to experiment on what can be done with this. To make sure we don't break this thing, but yeah, this stuff is kind of expensive. I heard it retails for about $8. Okay, so here's what you missed. The robot is plugged in. It's sitting. I went ahead and went into the iRobot app, and I added the robot, which actually took 3 times to get working. And then I went ahead and opened the top here, removed the tank. The tank here has a lid. I dumped half that bottle inside of there, filled the rest of it with tap water. And then, because this one looks like it's a little bit more serious, it actually has lots of water. My small Brava Jet really doesn't have any. So if you put the handle down, you lock it in place like this. And now for the moment. Now it's going to map my place here. That's what it's supposed to be doing. So we'll see how well that works. Looks like it's spreading a good amount of water. The floor is actually wet versus the other one where it just kind of was sort of spitting. Anyway, I'll write in the description of how things went. Might set up another video, but for now, that's it.